Move Mic makes it simple to stream directly to Facebook Live or using a custom stream key. To do this, once you've paired your mic, exit out and tap on the bottom right icon for streaming. There, you can sign into Facebook using your existing credentials. It will prompt you to open in the Facebook app and log in. Once logged in, you'll have the ability to determine where you want to post, whether it's to yourself or to a larger audience. And you'll also have the ability to decide where you post it within your Facebook account. You have your stream bitrate and video quality settings, and then can simply tap Go Live to begin streaming. When using a custom platform URL and key, you'll simply need to grab that stream key from your source, copy and paste it in, and go live.